Welcome back, grade 4. Last session we talked about something called the nervous system and sense organs. Today we're going to talk about sensing of the environment. Let's take examples about this. When your hand touches the spines of the cactus plant, it's quickly withdrawn in less than 1 second. When a small animal hears a snake moving nearby, it jumps quickly in less than 1 second also. Humans don't have to run away from dangerous wild animals. Meanwhile, the human body responds by quickly moving away from the threat or any dangerous happens for safety. You know what? Animals searching for food would mean the fear of being a prey to other animals. That is why all their senses and body system are working together for effective adaptation to the environment so that they can survive and find their prey and so on. So let's talk about example, and this example found in desert called jerboa, Egyptian jerboa.
It's much cooler in the Sahara at night, so this is when most animals venture out. The lesser Egyptian jerboa spends its days in a burrow below ground. Now is the time to feed. With legs like a kangaroo, this rodent has a hopping run that allows it to cover up to 6 miles a night in search of food, which includes seeds, insects, and the succulent parts of plants. Like many desert animals, it has evolved to gain all the water it needs through what it eats. And with no water around, the jerboa has also learned to use the desert to keep itself clean, taking baths in loose sand. This helps remove oils and clogged dirt from its fur. But it must stay alert. The night is full of dangers. Another horned viper samples the air with her forked tongue. She's caught the scent of this desert rodent. Busy digging its burrow, the jerboa makes itself vulnerable. The noise it makes affects its ability to hear the approach of a predator. And the viper takes full advantage of that. The jerboa is spooked and bounds well beyond strike range.
So, as we can see, that we have an animal called Egyptian jerboa, and this Egyptian jerboa lives in desert, and this species is from desert rodent. Okay, so it's the same of rats, but actually it has a structural adaptation as its body is tiny with very large ears and small eyes and long hind legs to jump. So these long hind legs help this jerboa to jump long distance. And you know what? Jerboa's feet and toes have hairs to help it catch sand when it jumps, so it's not slipping down, for example, and jump in a zigzag way and not run in a straight line. And this is very brilliant because this helps him to run away quickly from danger. Jerboa has large ears, so it can hear snakes even if they very small. So, like fennec fox has large ears and special shape of ears to hear the sounds or excellent hearing. So let's see how jerboa deals with danger or to avoid danger in a slow motion. Okay? As we can see here in picture, it jumps. The sensory receptors in jerboa ears send a message through a network of nervous system by nerves to the brain. The jerboa brain translates these messages and responds by alerting its legs to start moving and jumping away. So, jerboa's legs very strong and started to jump away from the danger in zigzag path. You know what? The whole response process of the jerboa running away from danger occurs in less than 1 second. Can you imagine? So all this path that happens in nervous system and brain responding and so on takes less than 1 second. And we call the time that any animals or humans or any living organism in general takes to react or respond to different stimuli or situation, reaction time. For example, the jerboa takes less than 1 second to run away. You also flinch when anything approaches your eye in less than 1 second also. So all of this called reaction time. So I can define reaction time as the time taken by an organism's body to react to different stimuli around it. Okay? And the less time you take, the healthy nervous system you have. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.